Yes, guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, again, we are measuring the dissolved oxygen meter for every water that are available here in UAE. Already measured it a while ago again, but we will be testing the same water that we have tested a while ago. We'll see. We'll first use our dissolved oxygen meter, this one, and our oxytop water. See, kanina to is 30.6 eh. So after 30 minutes, so ayan, tingnan niyo pong oxytop water natin, oh. Oh, taas pa rin, oh. 23, 24, 25, 25, 20, 25.7. Ayan, grabe ang taas, oh. Yung kumpara sa iba, yung dissolved oxygen meter nila is ano, kanina 30 yan, oh. Ngayon 26, 27. Taas pa rin talaga ng oxygen water, dissolved oxygen content ng oxytop water natin, guys, oh. 25. Oh. Grabe, di ba? Kumpara dun sa ano, sa oxygen water ng ano, mga ibang waters na to. Ayan. Tingnan natin. 28.8, 29, 29. Taas pa rin, no? 28.5. Kanina 30.6 eh. Oh. So doon naglalaro, oh. 27 ang taas ng oxygen content. 27.5, 27.1 yan. So ilalagay natin dito sa Arwa water. Di ba? 27 point yun kanina. Ito yung Arwa water. Tingnan natin. Sa Arwa water, ilan? 6.6 yan eh, kanina eh. So, kanina sa oxytop, ang taas, di ba? 27 umabot. Yan. Sa Arwa water, yan. Nahalo pa kasi yung water dun sa ano, oxytop eh. Kaya tinan mo, oh. Sa Arwa water yan. Yan. Ilang baba, di ba? Kanina double digit, ano yan, double digit. 6.6 kanina. Yung unang kuha natin. Yan sa Arwa water. Tingnan natin 7.6, 7.3, 7.1, 6.8, 6.6. Ayan siya. 6.6. Arwa water. Tinan mo sa oxytop uli. Nilagay ko ulit sa oxytop, ha. Ayan, tinan mo sa oxytop. 10, 12. Grabe ang taas, oh. Ang bilis, oh. 18, oh. Diba? Oh. Kanina 6.6 eh. Yan ang ginagawa ng oxytop device natin. Grabe itong oxytop na to. Oh. 26.5, 26, oh. 27. Ganun pa rin. Oh, the same. Ngayon, try natin dito sa Masafi. Punta tayo sa Masafi. Yan, 26 yung kanina. Yan mo sa Masafi. Ching. Ilan yung biglang baba, oh. 6.0. Oh, biglang baba, oh. Nakita mo? That's the difference, guys. See, Masafi, 6.0 to, oh. A while ago, it was 26, 28 sa oxytop. Suddenly, it dropped once I put in the Masafi. So, we'll just measure the amount of oxygen present in Masafi water. 7.0. Ayan, nag-stabilize. 6.7. 6.5. Ganun pa rin talaga eh. 6 pa rin eh. 6.3. This is Masafi water. 6.2. Almost the same. 6.0 eh. Kanina. So, pero yung nilagay ko dun sa ano, sa oxytop, grabe ang taas, diba? 6.0. Same lang, oh. 6 lang. 6, oh. Same. Ano. Balik natin sa oxytop. This is oxytop again. Oh, taas sa oxytop, ha. Oh, lublob ko. Taas agad ng oxygen, oh. Yung may oxygen content, oh. Taas, oh. 26, sumabot. Kanina, 30 yung kanina, eh. Freshly, 23, 24. That's the 6 times 4. 400 times, guys. This is 400 times better compared to other, waters. Kanina pa to ha. Ito yung May Dubai ulit. Try natin yung May Dubai. 6.3. Ayan o. Kanina tumabot ang 24 yan. 26. Tingnan mo May Dubai. Sudden drop oh. Drop agad oh. May Dubai water yan. Yung ginamit ko with the Oxytap, May Dubai din yun. 6.3. Diba? Sudden drop, right guys? Can you see the difference? Oh, 6.3 oh. Same finding siya oh kanina. 6.5. 6.4. Ganun talaga. Oh, naging 6.2 pa nga eh. Same. Gawin natin dito sa last na to. Oh, ilagay ko uli sa Oxytap. Oxytap, nakita nyo. Oh. Oxytap water. It's 400 times better compared to other content, minerals, oxygen, dissolved oxygen water, dissolved oxygen dun sa mga water ng Al-Ain, May Dubai, Arwa. See? 24, 25, 26, 26, 27. See, it's increasing. 27 ha, 27.6. Okay, stop ko muna yan. 27.6 last na to sa punta tayo sa Al-Ain water. Al-Ain water. See, this is Al-Ain water, guys. Yan. 27 yan kanina with Oxytap. We'll see how much in Al-Ain water again. Significantly talaga. Grabe yung yung Oxytap natin. Talaga yung dissolved oxygen content sa water is really high. That's Al-Ain water. This is the second to the lowest a while ago eh. Yan, nag-stabilize siya kasi we have soaked in the oxygenated water kaya nare-read pa niya yung oxygen. Yan, gradually now it starts reading. 6.6. 6.4. Al-Ain water is one of the lowest dissolved oxygen, guys eh. Al-Ain water. So even during the last experiment, siya lang yung pumalo ng 5 talaga oh. 5.9, 5.8. Then it will later on settle at 5.2 parts per million. 5.6. 5.5. Yan lang siya oh. Same consistent findings that we saw a while ago. 5.4. Same. No difference. 5.3. Really consistent. Nothing beats documentation, guys. Nothing beats documentation talaga. And this is an actual, real, unedited test. Yeah, 5.2. Same. Now we will go back to Oxytap water. Again, the Oxytap. We'll again use the Oxytap. See guys, oh. Drop yung sudden increase ng ng dissolved oxygen meter. 21.2, which is compared to sa mga iba, compared to this waters that we have in the market, yung Oxytap water really 26, 27. Consistent, guys, yung amount of dissolved oxygen. Thank you, Oxytap. Really, oxygen is life, guys. Oxygen is life. Kaya, for those who have in need of oxygen, the best way right now to increase oxygen in our body is drinking oxygenated water. Drink oxygenated water. This is live, actual, unedited special test demonstration of our Oxytap machines. Repeatedly, I have done it, and consistently the results are the same. So what are you looking for, guys? You can help your parents. I don't have any parents already. My mom and papa died already, but we can help our parents to have a long life. This is the secret for longevity, guys. Oxytap is the secret for longevity, improving our oxygen level in our body. Really, it helps us. It helps us to have a better life. Secret of longevity again, Oxytap. So you can measure your pulse oximeter, your pulse, your oxygen meter, SpO2, using this device. and really it can help boost drinking. Oxytop increases blood oxygen, improving sports performance as well and life. Wow, really consistent, guys. This is really consistent. Wow, compared to the other mineral waters that we are drinking outside here in Abu Dhabi. Oxytop, the findings that we had, 30.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Arwa is 6.6 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. Masafi is 6.0. This is Arwa. Arwa water is 6.6. Masafi. My Dubai, this is My Dubai, 6.3 parts per million. Al Ain, very low, 5.2 parts per million only, guys. One of the lowest. Al Bayan is the lowest, 5.0 parts per million. Laraix, 6.6 parts per million. Very less oxygen. This is the highest so far, 6.9 parts per million. Aquafresh. And this one is Al Ain flower is 6.2 parts per million. Meron pang Jimmy. Jimmy is 6.1 parts per million. So guys, it's really serious. Really serious. You should be having your own device at home because the high amount of dissolved oxygen is helpful to longevity, long life. See, that's 400 times higher compared to the other mineral waters that we have here. Later on, I'm gonna test you. I'm gonna challenge Evian, Fiji, and Volvic to do the same special test using our dissolved oxygen meter. Wow, wow, wow. Oxygen is life. The absence of oxygen is the presence of a disease. The absence of oxygen is the presence of the disease. And the presence of the oxygen is the absence of disease. This is 400 times higher, 400 times higher compared to any water that we have here in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Al Ain, United Arab Emirates. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and Oxytop for life, the secret to longevity, our Oxytop machine. Wow, Oxytop.